Off-road tips. If the vehicle is stuck in deep sand, snow or mud, it may be possible to rock it out. Shift to drive and apply a steady, light throttle, never full throttle. When the vehicle has rocked forward as far as it will go, apply and hold the vehicle's service brakes. When the engine has returned to idle, select reverse. Release the vehicle's service brakes and apply a steady, light throttle, never full throttle, allowing the vehicle to rock in reverse as far as it will go. Apply and hold the vehicle's service brakes and allow the engine to return to idle. This procedure may be repeated in drive and reverse if each directional shift continues to move the vehicle a greater distance.